A couple from Gorham who lost their daughter to a rare syndrome is now giving back to other families who might be dealing with a child's hospitalization.
Tammy and Dave Doobie started the Babygirl Foundation to honor their daughter, Addison, and to provide parents with some much-needed comforts while at their own child's bedside. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee shows us more.
Dave Doobie vividly recalls what doctors told him shortly after his daughter Addison was born.
The exact quote was, this is going to be a very long, hard road.
Addison came into this world with a rare genetic condition, Smith-Lemli-Opitz syndrome, or SLOS. It occurs in about 1 in 40,000 births. Babies with SLOS have very low levels of cholesterol in their blood, which can affect multiple body systems, causing feeding difficulties and growth issues. There's no cure and no indication of how long Addison would survive.
When we actually took her home, we were under the impression that she wouldn't really make the car ride home.
But this baby girl had an incredible will to live. Despite a feeding tube and being unable to walk or talk, she was able to communicate in her own special way.
You could tell when she was happy. You could see her laugh or hear her laugh and see her really enjoying herself. You could also tell when she was unhappy.
With a compromised immune system, even a cold would put the little girl at risk for pneumonia. Those complications landed her at Barbara Bush Children's Hospital, sometimes for weeks at a time. Almost 5 years after her birth, the couple had a son, Owen, born healthy, and he adored his sister. Addison passed away in 2019 at the age of 11, but not before the siblings did their handprints for the last time. Following their daughter's death, the couple started parents' closets located at the pediatric and neonatal intensive care units at Barbara Bush and at the pediatric emergency department at Maine Medical Center. Funded by the nonprofit Babygirl Foundation, the closets are stocked with items to help parents dealing with an emergency hospital stay for their child.
We've heard from multiple parents that they've gotten airlifted, or if there's an emergency and they come from work, they're coming from work to be with their sick child in their work clothes.
Parents can choose toiletries, comfortable clothes, and other items from this menu. Nurses then bring the items directly to their child's room, providing comfort and self-care for parents who are often dealing with their child's condition, which can be touch and go.
Even being out of sight for more than 5 minutes to go down the hallway. No, you just don't do that. And so anything that can be brought to the parents, to the room as a service.
The foundation has been able to help 100 families, but the nonprofit is struggling to keep up with the demand. People can donate through the nonprofit's website. There is a wish list on Amazon as well. The hope is to expand the program to the entire pediatric unit at Barbara Bush to give parents a chance to be better caregivers for the kids who need them the most. In Gorham, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
There will be a fundraiser for the Babygirl Foundation this Sunday at 3 o'clock at the Maine Mariners hockey game at Cross Insurance Arena. If you'd like to learn more information about that, just head over to our News Center Maine app.